Hi everyone, welcome to my channel TCU for Olympiads and JEE. Today I am back with vector operations and this is 04. This is 04. So we have already done 9 questions in our series. This is the 10th means today we will start with the 10th question. And this is the 10th question and the first question for today. The maximum resultant of two vector is 26 unit. Minimum resultant is 16 unit. Then the magnitude of each vector is. We need to find the magnitude of each vector. Option A is 21,5. Option B is 13,13. Option C is 20,6. Option D is none of these. Pause the video and try the question. I hope you have done that. I am moving on to the solution. The answer is option A. The answer is option A. Okay. Now, it's a very simple one. It just states sum maximum resultant means just the sum where cos theta is equals to 1. So A plus B is given 26 and minimum is just the difference where cos theta is equals to minus 1. That is where the angle is 180 degree, means the vectors are anti-parallel to each other, while A plus B means vectors are parallel to each other in the same direction with angle 0 degree in between. So from this we can write 2A is equals to 42. This is equals to 42. A is equals to 21. From this only we can just guess the answer to be A. But after finding the value of B, B will be 26 minus 21, which is equals to 5. So we got our answer to be option A. Moving on to question number 2 for today and question number 11 for our series. It's given if P cross Q is equals to 0 vector, Q cross R is equals to 0 vector, then the value of P cross R. Option A 0, option B AC sin theta n cap, option C AC cos theta, option D AB tan theta. Okay. Here there is some mistake. Instead of AC, we need to talk about PR. This is PR. PR. Then we will have AC means PR once again. This is PR. AB means PQ. So this is I guess multiple correct question. PQ. But let's see if it is given a single correct, but I guess it must have two answers. Let's see. I'm moving on to the solution. Answer is option A, as I thought. Answer is option A. It's 0, but option B can be an answer as well. P cross R, we just know the formula to be PR sin theta n cap, but here the value is 0. So if this question is single correct, we must stick to answer option A as it is 0. Option B can be if it is a multiple correct question. If means if it is single correct, we just go with option A. This is called priority of choosing options. Sometimes we need this. Okay, now just let's explain how we have got this. If this is P and this is Q somewhere here, so angle is 0 degree. P cross Q is 0 means sin theta equals to 0. As sin theta is 0 when theta is equal to 0 or 180 degree. So if P is this, if this is P, then this must be Q, and then Q cross R, since Q cross R is again 0, so this must be this only. There are other cases where 180 degree will be included, but I am not just writing those. Same thing will happen there as well. So I am just taking one of the cases where P cross R will come out to be 0, and this will be same for any other thing. If other cases we may be like this is P, this is Q, and this is R. and also if this is P, then we can have this is Q and this is R. In all cases we will have P cross R equals to 0. Another case maybe, no, these are the cases. If we can just reverse the direction of P and just take other cases as well, but this is the finally answer must be option A. Option B may be because it's the formula directly, P cross R is P R sin theta n cap, but more appropriate is A. Moving on to our next question, question number 3 for today and question number 12 of our series. Okay, it's given two vectors P and Q are such that P plus Q is equals to R and P square plus Q square is equals to R square. Which of the following is correct? P is parallel to Q, P is anti-parallel to Q, P is perpendicular to Q, P and Q are equal in magnitude. Okay, let's see. Pause the video and try the question. I'm moving on to the answer. Let's see the answer. The answer is, okay, 1 second. The answer is option C. P is perpendicular to Q. Just analyze the options. This is a question of analyzing options only. Let this be P, let this be Q. In this case, P plus Q, let's say it's R. Then this must be somewhat R, a big one. Yeah, this must be something like R. Now, in this case, first, this statement is matching. But while talking about this statement, we know this is Pythagoras theorem and this applies to a right angle triangle only. P square plus Q square will be right now P plus Q whole square. Okay, no, sorry. P square plus Q square must be P plus Q whole square minus 2PQ. That P plus Q whole square is R square, but R square minus 2PQ must be the magnitude. Just talking about magnitude only. So this statement is not appropriate in this question. So just this option is wrong. Moving on to the next option check. It's telling P is anti-parallel to Q. If this is P and this is Q, let's say this is Q, so P plus Q, that is R, will be this one, this small one, and here also P square plus Q square can never be R square. So in this case we already know. In this we have P this way, Q this way, and R this way, and P square plus Q square is R square. We already know P plus Q is equals to R. Both the equations are satisfying, so option C is the answer. But let's check option D. It's a very tricky one. It's telling P and Q are equal in magnitude. If P and Q are equal in magnitude, we cannot always say that P square plus Q square is R square. Yeah, one case is there where P and Q are equal and they are perpendicular to each other, but not always. This is just one case, and only one case is only exists there. So no, means this option is not applicable here. Okay, so option A is also wrong, option C is also wrong, B is also wrong, D is also wrong. Sorry, C is correct. Answer is C. So with this we have done 3 questions of this video, and now I am going to end this video here with this note of thanks. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I am ending the video.